Hi everyone and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Slick car, guys. Clean Georgia body. It's finished in antique white with the black vinyl top and the black interior. Bucket seats, console, 3-3 stroker, air, 12-bolt rear end. And I apologize, you can see it's misting rain. We got 3 days of rain, so if I don't get this thing done now, you won't be able to see it for 3 days. So I'm going to try to just power through this video. Nice car. Again, antique white paint. It's car's got 70-some thousand. I apologize. Like I said, bumpers, you can see a little wear there in the bumper. The rest of the bumper's slick. This is the original trim. This stuff's very hard to find. This may be one of the nicest grills that you're going to see. Very expensive piece, and I know that because I've had to replace those before. Original trim there. Like I say, the real nice, solid, straight Monte. Nasty little 3-3 stroker in it. And I apologize about the sprinkles, but not much we can do. And like I say, just rain coming. Vinyl top's in great shape. Glass is good. Trim on the car is really nice. Again, I apologize, guys, but unfortunately we're gonna get pounded with rain. Little blemish in the paint there. All original body panels. Car's nice and clean underneath. Again, look how nice that trim is. Few little pits, but this stuff very hard to find. New rear bumper. Again, very nice. Car's nice and straight down the sides. It's got the BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it with the rally wheels. Bunch of stuff coming in, guys. About 8 cars this weekend along with some more. So make sure you're keeping track of that website. Front disc brakes. It's got the spinner cap. Again, good running 3-3. Holley a 4-barrel on it. It's got a Weiand Stealth aluminum intake on it. Headers. It's got vintage air conditioning. It's got all the serpentine belt system in it and aluminum pulleys. Power steering, power front disc brakes, HEI distributor. Air blows cold. Like I say, good looking car. Mirrors are new. Sorry, man, I'm trying to just give you the best look I can. Door handles look good. Doors are nice and clean. New door rubbers. I believe this stuff in here is original. They did put new carpet in it, new sill plates. Bucket seats, console. It's got the sports steering wheel. Oh, I've ordered a new little soap dish for that as well. That's on the way. $79,798. It's got one of those little aftermarket, Retrosounds radios. There's a plug-in down there for your iPhone. This is where you would talk into it, give it commands or you plug your phone in. Flowmaster dual exhaust, 12-volt rear end, not a big gear, like a stock 323. So definitely a good cruising gear. Factory jack with spares back here. It's all spackle coated. Again, looks like it's got all the original body panels on it. Flows, 12 bolt. And those doors are nice and clean. I've ordered Monte Carlo mats for it, carpeted mats. Seat belts are all in it. Seats are nice. Car drives great. I mean, nice, tight, straight driving car. And factory wood grain dash. There's your plug-in for your radio. I'm not a radio guy. Matter of fact, I just bought a Cadillac. The guy told me I got to take it to somebody and have it programmed in a radio. I'd say that'll never get done for me. Nasty little cam to it. And this thing will run, guys. Nice sounding cam. Big old Monte Carlo hood. Yeah, you're gonna need those. Hey, not too crazy when you take off here, so be a little slickness on the road. Nasty little cam in this thing. These cars are cool. They're different. You just don't see them. Radio works. He's got some aftermarket gauges mounted under there. Blower motor works. Guy showed him the wipers yet. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys.